got to tell ourselves that we're doing a great job. And to be honest, I'm really, really, really excited to perform here in my country, but it's also a pressure for me because to be honest, I've tried to be strong, but sometimes, mahirap po. But seeing how much you guys prepare, like seeing you guys work hard more than us, like wala po akong reason para hindi mag-work hard pa po. And thank you so much for giving us a memory na never namin mapag-forget. And thank you for giving us a home, and a place that we can rest